Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a new Gmail account. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google account creation page. Look for the Create Account button and click it, then choose the option for My Personal Use. Next, you will be prompted to enter your first and last name. Type these into the respective fields to begin setting up your new account. After entering your name, you'll need to provide your birth date and gender. This information helps Google verify your identity and personalize your experience. Then, it's time to choose your Gmail username. Aim for something unique and easy to recall. If your first choice is unavailable, Google will suggest alternatives, or you can try adding numbers or a period to make it distinct. Now, create a strong password for your new account. It should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum security. Type your chosen password again to confirm it matches. For added security and easier recovery if you ever forget your password, Google will ask you to add a recovery phone number or an alternate email address. This step is highly recommended. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, you'll need to agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Read through them if you wish, then click I agree to complete your account creation. Congratulations, your new Gmail account is ready to use. And speaking of fresh, if you want to keep your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.